Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shia. I make beauty, lifestyle and fashion related content. So if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. I am so sorry about the lighting part. I know it's a bit dull because I am shooting this video so early that the sun didn't even hit my room yet. Today we are doing Nykaa sale haul. You know how Nykaa sales are, right? It's like festival for all the makeup lovers just like you and me. I mean the deals, the discount, they're like impossible to say no to. Let me tell you all, I went a little too overboard with that. From skincare to makeup, I grabbed it all. I mean, who can say no to such great sale, right? So if you are curious to know what I got and what are the products that are worth adding to your cart, or in general just looking for the makeup recommendation for your next shopping spree, then stay tuned. Now that I've said everything that I wanted to, get something to munch on, something to hydrate, and let's dive straight into this Nykaa sale madness together. By the way, it's a non-sponsored video. I really want to start the video with a brand which I feel like is really killing it with their skincare launches, and they are budget friendly also. I'm talking about Foxtel, and from them I have three of the product. Let me show you one by one what all I got. I am so excited. In my previous video also, I have mentioned quite a lot of time that I record my videos only on my week offs, which means उन 2 दिनों में I have to create multiple looks, जिसके कारण I have to just constantly wash my face and do my makeup. Because of that weird routine, my skin's really started to acting up. It's high time for me to invest on a good and gentle cleanser, and then I got my hands on this by Foxtel. When I actually got this product, I didn't know that it will work wonders to my skin. Like, you just have to pump 2 drops of it and then massage it well on your skin, and then like gently scrub it on your face so that it will remove your makeup easily, and then you just have to add 2-3 drops of water so that it will like let the good amount of foam, and then you can just wash your face. This is actually my second bottle, and the best part of the product is that जब भी मैं किसी normal face wash या cleanser से अपना face wash करती थी, उसके बाद my skin used to get so like dried up, और उसकी immediately बाद I have to apply a thick layer of moisturizer. But with this cleanser इतना dehydrated feel नहीं होता. Like with every wash, it just gives my skin a good amount of hydration as well. So if you are someone who is dealing with dry skin or want to invest on a good cleanser, then I'll say just try this once. The next product that I'm about to show you all is from the same brand, Foxtel, and I am talking about their moisturizer. I've already used their moisturizer and sunscreen, so I knew it that they will work really well with my skin. So this time also, when I was looking for a good moisturizer in their website, I came across that they guys are selling these 2 products as a duo. So I was like, okay, I've already used it in previous time, so why not let me get my hands on these 2 combo as well and try it myself. And let me tell you all, this product did not disappoint me at all. I don't like my moisturizer to feel very heavy or leave that chip on my skin. I want my moisturizer to be gentle, lightweight. Does it work properly? Yeah, please don't judge me after hearing all my requirements with just one product. But let me tell you all, this is just the basic necessity of my skin. So coming back to the point, I was describing the requirement that I need or that I want from my moisturizer, and I am so glad to tell you all that this product ticks off all the boxes. And the best part about these 2 combo is that they are so compact. I can literally throw it on my travel bag and just good to go. I told you all right that Foxtel is just killing it with their skincare. Let's quickly move on to the third product that I got from Foxtel, and I am obsessed with that product. I'm talking about their clay mask. It is their Foxtel the Stunner Skin Radiance Mask. Clean pores, reduce blackheads, improve skin clarity and tone. Initially, I was that sheet mask girly. Concept just fascinates me to another level, and one fine day I read something that was not as glamorous. I just stopped using it, and then later on I realized I have to find some alternatives, and Foxtel is really one of that brand which I always turn towards whenever I was in search or whenever I was in need of good skincare. So I got my hands on this one, and this just fits my necessity very well. Before saying anything else, let me give you all a disclaimer that please don't judge me by the packaging of the product. जब ये product delivered हुआ, I was so excited कि मैंने पूरा ना पैकेजिंग एक बार में ओपन करके देखा. I decided to took a short nap क्योंकि मेरी लॉगिन स्टार्ट होने वाली थी, and my pet decided to just damage everything, and she just chewed it off. But luckily she could not damage the actual product, और उसने luckily खाया नहीं कुछ. This is how the product actually looks like. ये इसके साथ एक प्लेट आता है, इसके ऊपर ना एक स्पैचुला आता था छोटा सा फॉर द इवन एप्लीकेशन, बट मैंने इसे जितनी बार भी अप्लाई किया है उस स्पैचुला से बिल्कुल भी अच्छे तरीके से द एप्लीकेटर यूज टू टेक लॉन्गर ठीक है, टू अप्लाई इवनली, और कहीं पे थिक लग रहा है, कहीं थिन लग रहा है, सो आई जस्ट थ्रू इट ऑफ एंड गॉट माई सेल्फ दिस ब्रश. इससे बहुत इवनली अप्लाई होता है. दिस इज हाउ द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. सो पर्पल, आई लव द स्मेल ऑफ इट. इसको ना जैसे आप इनहेल करते हो, इतना एक स्ट्रॉन्ग और इतना ना एक मिंटी और एक्वा और रिफ्रेशिंग से स्मेल आता है. आपने मेरे पिछली 2-3 वीडियो में इसे अप्लाई करते हुए देखा होगा. इट जस्ट वर्क्स वंडर्स टू माई स्किन. इसे मैं जब हटाती भी हूँ ना पानी से वॉश भी करने के बाद, तो माई स्किन फील्स सो लाइट वेट. इट एक्चुअली फील्स लाइक कि इस बहुत सारी इम्प्योरिटीज निकल गई है आपकी स्किन से. देन द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट आई ऑर्डर्ड इज माई होली ग्रेल टू कंसील ऑल माई डार्क सर्कल एंड पिगमेंटेशन. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस स्विस ब्यूटी ऑन द मूव कंसीलर पैलेट. When I ordered this product for the very first time, मैंने ये इतना मजे में ऑर्डर कर लिया था. मैं जो भी फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर ऑर्डर करती हूँ, या तो वो एक शेड लाइटर आता है या तो डार्कर आता है. कभी भी मेरी स्किन से मैच हुआ ही नहीं है. तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, लेट्स सी. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू ऑल, दिस प्रोडक्ट लिटरली हेल्प मी विथ ऑल माई मेकअप. ट्रस्ट मी, इस एक पैलेट में आपको सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. इट हैज़ द कलर करेक्टर, द कंसीलर, एंड द पीपल हु आर लाइक माई स्किन टोन कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस डार्कर शेड एज अ कॉन्टोर और ब्रॉन्जर. इफ यू गाइस आर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो और फॉलोइंग मी फॉर अ क्वाइट लॉन्ग टाइम, देन आपने देखा होगा जो मेरा पुराना वाला पैलेट था, उसकी हालत समथिंग ऐसी हो गई थी. इन दिस सेल टाइम आई रियली लाइक मेड श्योर कि मैं एक पैलेट तो ले ही लूँ, भले कोई कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन मेरे शेड का नहीं आया. आई नो दिस विल never disappoints me. This one product is creamy, easily blendable, and to some extent it is waterproof also. So if you are someone who is just like me, जिसे अपना shade ही नहीं पता है, just go for this one. I guess by this time you guys already know it that I am a person with dry skin. But the one thing that you guys don't know is that not just my face, my hands, my feet, everything is so dry. You know, बचपन में my mom always used to apply सरसों का तेल on our body, and it really helps us with our skin. Like इतना इतना ग्लोई दिखता था हमारा स्किन उस टाइम पर. एंड जैसे से वी ग्रू अप, आई स्विच फ्रॉम सरसों का तेल टू कोकोनट ऑयल. एंड द वन ड्रॉबैक अबाउट कोकोनट ऑयल इज दैट वो बहुत जल्दी उड़ जाता है. लाइक इट जस्ट फेड्स अवे. आप बहुत अच्छी तरीके से भी अभी लगा लोगे एंड 5 मिनट्स लेटर इट विल बी लाइक वेयर, कहाँ गया, इतना लगाया था कहाँ गया. सो अभी तो विंटर आ गया है, एंड विंटर इज दैट पीक टाइम जहाँ पर मेरा पूरा स्किन एंड बॉडी एकदम चिल्ला के कह रहा होता है दैट वी आर ड्राई, वी नीड समथिंग. आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दीज बाय नायका. ठीक है, दिस इज अ हैंड क्रीम. दिस इज देयर नायका विप्ड विथ लव स्ट्रॉबेरी एंड वनीला हैंड एंड नेल क्रीम. इस हैंड क्रीम को ना मैं बहुत टाइम से देख रही हूँ अपने नायका ऐप पर, एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज लाइक कि खरीद लूँ. लाइक इसका स्मेल अच्छा है, आई नो इसका हाइड्रेशन भी अच्छा होगा, but the fragrance I can't tolerate at all. Now that we all are talking about this skin hydration, so let me add one more product in the same category. The next product that I'm about to introduce you all is from the brand which is not only loved by us, it's loved by generation of our parents and their parents. I am talking about Vaseline brand. Vaseline is that one common brand जो सभी के घर पर मिलता है. उसका जो पेट्रोलियम जेली आता है, we use or apply it on our dry skin or dry hands, and उनका जो chapsticks आता है, we apply that. I wanted something nice and for my whole body, and I got my hands on this one. Is their Vaseline Healthy Bright Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum and Lotion. It is 10x more powerful than vitamin C plus, and the best part is it is non-sticky. I'm not just saying this because I can read it by here. I've already applied, used it, and I know it is non-sticky. इसके पहले जो मैंने आपको हैंड क्रीम्स बताया, it is for the situation when I'm out somewhere else and my hands are so dry, so I can use it that time. But this Vaseline, I can use it anytime. Like if I'm right out from the shower and I need some good hydration, then I can definitely rely on this one. And ये product में मुझे अच्छे deal and discount में मिल गया था, so I was like, why not add this product to cart as well. I can't wait to use this product in this winter season. Moving on to the next product, it is a new launch by one of my favorite or go-to beauty brands. I am talking about L'Oreal, and it is their new serum. It is L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Dark Spot Brightening Serum. The best thing about the product is that it has Melisyl included in this serum, and Melisyl is known for its capability to just reduce dark spot and pigmentation from your skin. And we all know this L'Oreal के जो serums आते हैं वो अपने हमारी skin पर कितने effective होते हैं. I have been using their this Revital hyaluronic acid and their hyaluronic creme and everything, so I knew that this is something that I should use.
You know, I don't have this much of pigmentation on my face. It is just this recent acne mark and some of the pigmentation. I really want to use this product on this marks, which is right here. I don't know if it's visible on camera or not, but yeah, it is there. So
Then from the same brand, I again got another product, and it is their concealer. It is L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear. I got this product again on the recommendation of one of my favorite YouTuber and influencer, the Brown Daughter. She speaks highly about this concealer. इसके जो शेड्स है वो इतने लिमिटेड हैं that I was so contemplating कि मैं अपना करेक्ट शेड ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ या नहीं कर रही हूँ. बट लकीली ये थोड़ा सा ना आसपास ही है, तो if I use a good color corrector then I can really work through this one. I just love the fact कि इसका ना जो wand है वो इतना thick है जिसके कारण ना proper application हो जाएगा. Moving on to the next product, and I am talking about Swiss Beauty. It is their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It just brightens skin, modify pores, moisturizing and nourishes. You know, a few days back I went to visit one of my friend Coco. She is a fantastic makeup artist, and we actually met because of her makeup shoots, and she did my makeup. And at that time I told her specifically ki just tell me what all the product that actually work for my skin and what kind of product that I should use on my skin. One of the product that I got after her recommendation is this one. She actually applied it on my skin, and I love the after effect. It is a primer. I am just using one pump of it, and it just looks somehow this white in color, and इसे जैसे जैसे मैं blend करते जाऊंगी ना अपनी skin पर, it just absorb और it just takes the color of my skin. और जो ये white आपको दिख रहा है, it is shine. Now imagine, अब इसके ऊपर आप foundation या concealer या कुछ भी अपना base makeup करोगे तो आपका जो skin है उसमें कैसा एक within glow वाला effect दिखेगा, right? As I've told you all, I know she's a fab makeup artist, but the product that she used also plays a very important role, and I love the product. If you are someone who is 2024 या 2025 bride, I would just recommend give this product a try. इसका ना जो पैकेजिंग है इतना लग्जूरियस फील देता है. इट इज मेड आउट ऑफ ग्लास, ठीक है, एंड इसका जो कैप है ये एक प्यारा सा गोल्डन कलर में है. इट जस्ट लुक्स लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ शो पीस की से अपना एक ऐसे प्रोडक्ट. जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू आर आल्सो समवन लाइक मी जिसे एक टाइम पर लाइनर लगाना इतना पसंद था या इतना अच्छे से आपको लाइनर लगाना आता था और अब आपके हाथ नहीं चल पाते. It's me. You know, when I was in school, girls used to just come to me and they were like, "Can you please मेरा liner लगा दे?" And I'm not bragging it at all. आप मेरे किसी भी friend से पूछ सकते हो. And one day I just stopped. And उसके बाद से मैंने लगाया ही नहीं है. I really want to use a liner और start using liner, क्योंकि ना बहुत सारे मेकअप लुक कभी मैं कर रही होती तो मेरी आईज ना थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा होता है कि कुछ तो अधूरा है. At that time I was like कि मुझे लाइनर लगा लेना चाहिए, बट डीप डाउन आई नो कि अगर मैंने अभी लाइनर लगा दिया तो ये पूरा आई लुक खराब हो जाएगा, बिकॉज अब मेरे हाथ बिल्कुल चल ही नहीं पाते, राइट? So to get me out of that chaos, I got myself these two sets of eyeliner. It is by Mars Hue Gel Liner. ये दो colors में आते हैं. One is this black color and one is in this brown color, and it also comes with these pointy brushes which actually just change your eyeliner game. This is how the product actually looks, but let me burst your bubble here only. ये ना आपको इतना सारा product दिख रहा होगा कि इसका quantity अच्छा आता है, but ऐसा नहीं है. It's just the reflection of the glass in एक्चुअल रियलिटी. ये सिर्फ इतना ही प्रोडक्ट है. ये जितना पिगमेंटेड है और जितना डार्क है उससे आई कैन अज्यूम कि ये बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलेगा. बट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नेक्स्ट परचेज दैट आई एम सुपर प्राउड इज दिस toner. You know, recently I've been watching so many of Western YouTubers and influencers using toner when they are right out of bed and when they are going to the bed, and it just makes their skin looks like glass skin and flawless. And I was so intrigued and so, you know, fascinated by the concept of toner. You know, as a makeup enthusiast, I feel like I have lots of makeup, but हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा मुझे नया दिख जाता है that I feel like, oh, this is essential, and ये मेरे vanity में नहीं है. And this time I also tried like purchasing product mindfully and got my hands on this one. It is by Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Toner. It just tighten your pores and brighten skin. I don't care about the brightening part, but yeah, I do care about the tightening part. I know rice water is really good for your hairs as well as your skin. I do try to make the cheaper alternative जहाँ पर मैं originally जो rice water store करके रखती थी, but
you cannot store it for like more than 1 or 2 days क्योंकि it starts to smell so bad कि मेरी मम्मी was like कि ये फालतू काम नहीं करना मेरे घर. I haven't used it already but I do have some really great or good hopes with this one product. I just love the packaging. You know, it's not made up of glass, it is plastic material but matte plastic, right? Moving on to the next product. For the longest time I wanted to have a good nude lipstick in my vanity. मेरे पास बहुत सारे lipstick है, I will not deny that, but एक जो nude shade आता है ना, I do not have that. And in this Nykaa sale I make it a point कि मैं एक nude lipstick भी खरीदूँ, and got my hands on this by Maybelline. I applied this on my birthday as well. I love it. ठीक है, I got this product in a very great deal. This is how it looks. I love the luxurious finish. I love the formulation and everything about the lipstick. इसके description पे भी mention किया गया है that this is the creamy one, and I have to give it to them that this is actually the creamy one. इसको लगाने के बाद आपका lips एकदम dry या matte नहीं दिखते हैं या feel भी नहीं होता है. It feels so nourishing on my lip. But the only bummer that I felt here is that this is again not a nude lipstick. This is proper brown. So the hunt for the perfect nude lipstick still continues. We are off to the last 3 products of the video. Let's quickly finish them off. I got my hands on a perfect setting spray in my last Nykaa haul as well. You guys saw right कि मैंने वहाँ पर भी एक setting spray order किया. That was from Swiss Beauty, and reason I guess that product was in the product I regret buying list क्योंकि that did not work at all. I got this one from Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Instant Matte Setting Spray. It has 24 hours oil control. Again, I love the packaging of this. इसका ना एकदम वो जो soft and leather type of finish है. The next product that I got is again from the same brand Maybelline. Now, if you guys know me, then you should know that I am a person who just loves the no makeup look. I want to look put together, but I do not want people to see that I have done lots of makeup to look this. And you know, recently मैंने एक video देखा था जहाँ पर one of influencers said that कि mascaras do get expired in 2-3 months, and I was like shit. That just sudden realization hit होता है ना आपको कि आप तो एक मस्कारा 1 साल से भी ज़्यादा टाइम से यूज़ करो. and I was like I instantly pressed the back button and I went to Nykaa and add this mascara to my cart. I am talking about this Maybelline mascara. मेरे पास Maybelline का जो OG वाला येलो कलर का होता है that I have been using for the longest time, and to be told वो इतना अच्छा वर्क करता था और अभी भी अच्छा वर्क कर ही रहा है. आई डोंट नो वो एक्सपायर हुआ है या नहीं. मैंने अभी भी वही लगा रखा है, वाटरप्रूफ. इसे मैंने अपने बर्थडे वाले दिन यूज़ किया था, एंड आई हैव टू से इतना मुझे प्रॉपर इफेक्ट नहीं दिखा बिकॉज ये चीज़ भी मैंने पढ़ा है दैट मस्कारा को एक्चुअली प्रॉपरली वर्क करने में इट हैज़ टू बी ना थोड़ा सा पुराना जब वो होता है तो इट जस्ट गेट थिकन इन द कंसिस्टेंसी, उसके बाद वो अच्छे से अप्लाई होता है. तो क्योंकि मैं तो 1 साल से मस्कारा सप्लाई कर रही हूँ, यूज़ कर रही हूँ अपने, और वो ना थिक हो चुके तो उसमें इंस्टेंटली मुझे बदलाव और चेंजेस दिखता है. बट विद दिस वन आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है, दिस माइट बी द रीज़न कि ये नया है इसलिए थोड़ा सा भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. बट लेट्स सी एज टाइम इट विल grow itself nicely. I love this product. I am just waiting for it to be thicker quickly. Moving on to the last product that I got. It's not actually makeup, but we do use it to, you know, apply the makeup. I'm talking about, of course, brushes. It is by Bronson Professional HP. I don't know इस brush को क्या बोलते हैं, but I got this specifically to apply my concealer or blend my foundation and concealer very well. A blender has the tendency जिसमें ना वो अपने अंदर ही product absorb कर लेते हैं, whereas this brushes just evenly spreads out all your makeup और वो उन जगह पे भी जाता है जहाँ पर आपका ब्लेंडर इजीली वर्क नहीं कर पाता है. आई डू हैव ब्रशेज इन माई वैनिटी बट आई डू नॉट यूज़ देम सो ऑफन. आई जस्ट यूज़ जो ब्लश वाला ब्रश आता है उसे यूज़ करती हूँ मैं, और वो भी कभी कभी स्किप कर देते हैं. आई जस्ट यूज़ माई फिंगर्स टू ब्लेंड माई ब्लश. But that was it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed watching this fun haul. I am signing off, but before that, don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite part, share this video to your friends and family, and ask them to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you super soon in my next one. Bye.